Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful.
Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. I am Manzoor Abbasi, mathematics teacher. I will teach you mathematics grade 6. Today we have to start the exercise 5.1. Remaining questions from the previous lecture. This is the lecture number 11. And in lecture number 10, we did two questions from this same exercise. And this is the introduction of the brackets and binary operations, how we have to find. Dear student, in question number 3, we have three brackets: small bracket, curly bracket, and large bracket. We will first of all, before the simplification of the brackets, we will do the simplification. It means we will convert all these mixed fractions into the common fractions. We will multiply whole number by denominator and then we will add the numerator in the given result. Here 1 times 4 it will become 4 plus 1. Here 1 times 10 it will become 10 plus 1. Then here 8 times 2 it will become 16 then plus 1. Here 6 times 2 it will become 12 then plus 1. Here 1 times 39 it will become 39 plus 5. Dear student, after that we have to add all these values: 4 in 5, 4 in 1, 5, 10 in 1, 11, and 16 in 1, it will become 17 minus small bracket started 16 plus 1. Here, here student 16 plus 1, 17. Here 12 plus 1, 13. 39 plus 1, it will become 44. And in the down. Now, here we have to think about the same thing that we will do. We will solve first of all the small bracket. In small bracket, we have 13 over 2. Here 44 over 39. Here we have to cancel 13 by its opposite number 39. Table of 13 on 13 one time. 13 table 3 times 39. In the opposite number we will read. And here table of 2 on 2 one time. Here 2 we will read on the 44 22 times. Now 1 multiplied by 22 and here 1 multiplied by 3. It will become 22 over 3 and this small bracket it will be cancelled. Dear student, after that we have to solve the curly bracket, and in curly bracket we have to do the subtraction. And in subtraction or in minus, it is very important that we will think about the LCM of the 2 and 3. LCM of the 2 and 3 will become 6. So we will make the same denominator. We will make the denominator here 6. That's why 2 will be multiplied up and down 3 times. Here 3 we have to make 6. So 3 will be multiplied by 2 up and down 2 times. 17 3 times 51, 2 3 times 6, here 22, 2 times 44, and here 3 2 times will become the 6. Now LCM is the 6. I will in the second step here, I write this LCM 6 and directly I will do the 51 minus 44 and the result will be 7 over 6. When 7 over 6 result we have obtained, then this curly bracket will be removed. Now here, before going to add these numbers, I have to do the multiplication. In multiplication, we will see first cancellation with the numerator with denominator or opposite numbers or cross numbers. If all the possibilities are not existing over there, then we have to multiply numerator by numerator, denominator by denominator. 11 times 7 here will be 77, and 10 times 6 it will become 60. Now dear student, here we have to 8, and in addition we will think about the LCM. LCM of the 4 and 60 is 60. So I have to make here same denominator is of 60. I will multiply 4 by the 15 up and down. So it will become 75 over 60, and here 77 over 60. LCM is 60. I will do the addition. 75 plus 77. Answer will be 152 and 60. Now here we have to cancel by the table of 2. Table of 2, here 2 table you can read on 15. 7 times 1 will be carried to the 2. It will become the 12. Table of 2 on 12 6 times. Same way, table of 2 on 6 3 times, 0 will be carried. Now here 30. 76 over 30. Again, here table of 2 on 7 3 times. 3 times 2 3 times 6, and 1 is carried to the 6. It becomes 16. Table of 2 on 16 8 times. Here table of 2 on 3 1 time. 1 carried to the 0. It becomes 10. Table of 2 on 10, it will be 5 times. Here dear student, we have got 38 over 15. 38 or 15. This denominator, when the denominator is more than the numerator, it is the improper fraction. So that's why we will read the table of 15 on 38 two times. That will become the 30, and the remaining will be 8. So here 2 whole 8 over 50. Right? So dear student, here again these are the options that if there is the possibility for division, you can divide. Otherwise, you will keep the same. Here, students, in question number 4, we have the question number 4. We have three type of the brackets: small bracket, curly bracket, and large bracket or square bracket. And but before going to solve the brackets, I will remove all these values into the common. Dear student, how the common fraction is removed? It will be done. Here, I will multiply the whole number. I will multiply the whole number, that is 2, by the denominator, and the result will be added in the numerator. So I have put that particular step: 2 by 14 plus 8 over 14. Here 1 by 5 plus 4. Here 1 by 3 plus 1. Here 2 by 2 plus 1. Here 1 by 3 plus 1. And here 2 by 6 plus 1. And similarly here 1 by 3 plus 2. Now in the here this is a 2 14 times 28 plus 8. Here 1 5 times 5. Here 1 3 times 3 plus 1. Here 2 2 times 4. Here 3 1 time, this one 3 1 time 3. Here 2 6 time 12. Here 1 3 time here 3 plus 2 over 3. Here student, here we will add these numbers. Addition of the 28 plus 8, it will become 36. Here 5 plus 4 9. Here 3 plus 1 4. 4 plus 1 5. Here again 4. 12 plus 1 13. Here 3 plus 2 5. Now from this step, we have to discuss about the brackets. How we have to remove the bracket. First of all, I will discuss this small bracket. This one. This small bracket has the values in denominator 2, 3, and 6. So whilst LCM of the 2, 3, 6 is 2, 3, 6. LCM of these, because this 2 can cancel the 6 3 times, 3 can cancel the 6 2 times. So definitely we have the LCM 6. I will make these remaining two numbers, except the 6, I will make the 2 6 multiplying by 3 up and down, and 3 I will make 6 by multiplying 2 up and down. Here I will get the number 5 times 3, 15, 4 times 2, 8, and here 13 will be LCM. LCM is the same. I will keep the 6 and then 15 plus 8 minus 30. Dear student, I will do the addition first of all. Here, rest of values I will keep same. When their time will come, I will do their simplification. Here, 15 plus 8, it will be 23 and minus 13. 23 minus 13, answer will be 10 over 6. And after simplification, when 10 over 6, then this bracket is removed. Now again I have to solve the curly bracket, and for the simplification of the curly bracket I have to solve the I have to find out the LCM of the 3 and 6. That is 3 and LCM of the 3 and 6 will be 6, because this 3 can divide the 6 two times. So I will make here 6 3 6 by multiplying 2 up and down. Here LCM comes out 6 6, and the LCM is 6. When I will add the 8 and 10. Addition of the 8 and 10 will come out 18, but all these values 36 over 14 divided by this and this, it will remain same. Now it is the turn of the last bracket, that is the here curly or small large bracket. Dear student, here is the 9 over 5, here is the 18 over 6, here is the 5 over 3. First of all, as you wish, if you want to cancel this 9 by 6, so here table of 3 on 6 two times, same 3 table on 9 three times. Okay, let us continue after that. Now here again I have 18 and 3. Table of 3 on 3 one time, table of 3 on 18 six times. 6 times. And again I have here 1 time, table of 2, and here 3 times. Then this 3 remains same. And after that, this 5 one time, and this first 1 5 one time. Table of 5 1 5 one time. This will be also last 5 1 time. Now I write the remaining values. 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 1 in the denominator, 1 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1. Result in the denominator will become 1. Okay, write 1. 3 times 3 9, 9 times 1. Good. Now, dear students, here is the 36 over 9. I will write here 36 over 14 divided by 9 over 1. I have to do this divide. So I will change it the multiply. When I change its multiply, according to the mathematical rule, denominator will come up and denominator will come up and numerator will come up. Its position of the fraction will be upward. It will become 1 over 9. Dear students, here table of the here 9. Here see, here table of 9. 9 on itself one time, here opposite of 9 36. Table of 9 on 36 4 times. Dear students, here 4 times. Table of 2 on 4 2 times. Table of 2 on 14 7 times. Result 2 times 1 2 and 7 times 1 7. And this type of the fraction is proper fraction. We cannot proceed it further. Answer will be 2 over. Okay, dear, we have the question number 5. Dear student, here 5 over 2 multiplied by large bracket started 7 over 6 plus curly bracket started from 245 over 2 here minus small bracket started 4 over 3 multiply 121 divided by 11 over 8 and bracket over curly bracket over large bracket. Now here we have to directly remove the bracket. Here in this sum we are given 3 types of bracket. First one, small. In small bracket, let us see here the 4 over 3 multiply 121, and here the multiply, here the divide. You will change the divide into multiplication. Position will become opposite, inverse, up and down. 11 over 8 will become the 8 over 8. Now table of 11 one time, and 100 and 12 one time, 1 carry to the 111 again one time. Here table of 11 on 121 11 time on itself meets on the 11. Dear student, now here I will multiply because further we don't have the possibility to cancel many numbers. 4 multiply 11 multiply 8 in the denominator, 3 multiply 1. Now the result in the numerator, it comes out 352, but here there is when result comes 352 or but here in numerator denominator it is their multiplication is 3. Now we are again in a curly bracket. We have to remove curly bracket after the subtraction. After the subtraction, again we will take the LCM of 2 and 3, that will be 6. We will make the 2 6 by multiplying 3 up and down, and 3 will be made 3 will be made 6 by multiplying 2 in both positions up and down. And after the multiplication, we get here 735 over 6, 704 over 6. LCM is the same 6. We will do the subtraction 735 minus 704 and over 6. Dear students, we will get the 31 over 6. By that chance, we have the same values in the denominator. The LCM will be same. We will write here 5 over 2, and in the large bracket here will be same LCM. I will do the addition of the 7 plus 31 and I will get 38 over 6. Now again here 5 and 6 cannot be cancelled, but 2 and 38 can be cancelled. 2 can be cancelled one time. Same 2 can cancel the 38 19 times, because 2 can be 2 can cancel the 3 one time. Remaining 1 will be carried to the 8. It will become 18. On 18 we can read the 2 9. And here we have the 5 over 1. Here 19 over 6. 5 19 times 95 over 6. And then if you divide 95 by 6, we will get the 15 whole by 6. Dear student, by the same as usual, we can read the table of 6 here on 9 one time. Okay, remaining will be 3. Again 5 will come here down. Here you will subtract the 6 from 9. You will get the 3. And on the 3 here is the, now you will bring 5 down. 3, it will become 35. On 35 you have to read 6 again. And remaining here remainder will be 5. You can read it 15 times. You can read here on 95. 15 times. And here remaining will be 5. It means here will be, this answer will be the final. Dear students, in sixth number we have the all types of brackets, and here all type of brackets we have. First of all, to remove these all fractions, remove these all fractions. Here 2 by 3, then plus 2, again 2 by 4, then plus 1, then 1 by 8 plus 1, 2 by 4 here in this bracket. Okay, and plus 1, 1 by 2, and then here plus 1. Similar 1 by 2 plus 1, and curly bracket, small bracket over curly bracket or large over 1 by 3 plus 2. And after that, dear students, here we have the result of the multiplication of 2 and 3. It will be 6 plus 2, here 8 plus 1, here 8 plus 1, here 8 plus 1, here 8, 2 plus 1, here 3 plus 2, and 1. After that, we will get the 8 plus 2. It will be 8. 6 plus 2, 8. Here 9. Here 9. Here 9. Here 3. Here 5. And now, first of all, we will do the multiplication. Here we have to remove this line. This line. So how this line will be removed? First of all, we have to make the here LCM. So you will make the LCM of the 9 over 4. Here LCM of the 4 and 2, it will become 4. So I make this line same reminder. I have to make I have to make 2 4. So I will multiply up and down. It will become the 4. Multiplication of 3 and 2 it will become 6. Here 2 and 2 is 4. The students LCM comes out same. Here 9 minus 6. It will become plus 3. And then the bar will be 3. Now we are in a small bracket here. LCM of the 2 and here this one. Start from 9 over 4 and 3 over 4. LCM will be rest of the element values will remain same. Okay, pattern of the reading will be also same. Here I will say small bracket is started 9 over 8 plus 3 over 4. Now LCM of the 8 and 4 will be 8 and 4 will be 8. The 4 can cancel the 82 times. So multiply the 2 with 4 up and down. By 3, 3 times 2, here 4 times 2. Answer same denominator will remain same according to the LCM. Dear student, here 8 we have got 8. So LCM will be 8. I will do the addition of 9 plus 6. It will be 15 over 8 and small bracket will be removed. Now we have to we have to remove the curly bracket. In curly bracket, we have nothing but we have to change the divide into multiply. When change the divide into multiply, the value will become 15 over 8 will become 8 over 15. And we will cancel these opposite numbers by the table. We will cancel by the table of 3. 3 can cancel the 9 3 times. 3 can cancel the 5 15 5 times. And now further, we have to cancel here 4. We have to cancel here 4. Dear students, you will cancel here 4. That means 4 can be cancelled by itself one time. 4 can cancel itself one time here and 2 here. On 8, 2 times. 4 ones are 4. Here, please cancel here. Here 4 times. It will be cancelled. 4 will be cancelled one time. After that, table of 4 or 8 two times. Now remaining number cannot become 3 times 2, it will become here 3 2 times, here 1 time 5. This is not 40, but it is a 4. Now 3 times 2, it will become 6, 1 time 5, it will become 5. After that, this curly bracket is. And here, we have to write the 8 over 3, curly bracket remove 6 over 5, and here large bracket over minus 5. Here, student, we can cancel the 3 and 6. 3 can cancel itself one time, but 3 can cancel the 6 two times. And now no further cancellation. I will multiply 8 by 2. 8 times 2 it will become 16. 1 times 5 it will become 5. So 16 over 5. 16 over 5. And here is the 5 LCM of the 5 and 3. Here, please see here LCM of the 3 and 5. 3 and 5. Here, first we have the here 3, here 5. LCM of the 5 and 3, it will become 15. So make the 5 15 by multiplying 3 up and down. Make the 3 15 by multiplying 5 up and down. Now a 48 and a 15 minus 25 over 15. Then LCM same 48 minus 25 over 25. And answer will be 23 over 15. Or you can divide the 15. 15 can cancel the 23 one time. And 23 over 23 minus 15, the remaining remainder will be at 1 whole 8 over 15. This will be the answer. Dear student, by the same way, we have the question number 7. Please same it is for your homework. I have done here, but you will do the practice this sum. This is for your also. For the same way, we have to do. We have first. I have removed the mixed fraction. After that, I have to cancel here. I have to do the small bracket, change the divide into multiply, and you will get this value. After that, you will get the 5 over here 7 over 4 you will get. Small bracket remove. LCM same. Then 5 plus 7. It will become 12 over 4. And after that, here 12, same 12. You will cancel the values. Here 1 by here. Similarly, here table of 4 one time. On 12 3 times 3 over 1. 3 over 1. But you will multiply 1 by 3. 3 24 by 1. And after that here divide. Change first divide. Then you have to cancel up and down. And after that, G is 15 over 2, 7 over 1 over 2. This is the answer. And same way, we have to remove these all mixed fractions, then multiply, then here. This is also for your homework. It is done, but you have to also do from your side also. First, do this small bracket, LCM 15, 64 minus 16, and make the here same denominator 15, 15. So multiply by 3, you will get the 15 here. 64 minus 15, 48, you will get the 16 over 15. And after again you will make here 3 and 4. 3 comma 15 you will make the 15 and multiplying by 5, 15. Then you will get here same denominator 20 over 15, 16 over 20, 15 same. And after that you will do the addition 36, change the divide, and after the division change the position, and they are converted into multiply, same answer you will get. And this is the end of your lecture. Dear student, these questions I completed. I hope that you will do them again on your practice or on your neat copy, and rest of the parts I will do in the coming lecture number 12 for you. And inshallah, if you have any problems, you can share with me. And these all questions I have done. Please kindly do all steps. Don't miss any step. And the introduction of the brackets are also done. Now, I hope wish you best of luck. Assalamu alaikum.